Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's makeup tutorial is on this dramatic cut crease. If you want to see how I achieve this look, please keep watching and don't go anywhere. I already did my eyebrows off camera. I'm going to be starting with this soft orange color from the House of Tara Margaret Echo palette with eyeshadow blending brush. I'm blending this all over my crease line. I'm going to be repeating the same step for the other eye. Going in back with that same eyeshadow palette, I'm taking that burnt orange color and I'm also concentrating on my crease line, but I'm concentrating on the outer part more before I drag it all the way into my inner crease. This is going to act as my second transition color. And the third color is going to start my crease is this fuchsia pink and that light pink. I'm going to be mixing the both of them with the same fluffy eyeshadow brush, blending brush I'm using, and I'm spreading this all over my crease line, extending it a little above my crease line as well. Going in with this soft brown shade, I'm just going to be blending everything all together to avoid harsh lines and to make it seem flawless. My eyeshadow primer is from Fair Gold and I'm going to be using a flat brush this time around instead of using a blending brush to apply my eyeshadow primer. I'm using a flat brush because I'm trying to do a cut crease so that the flat brush can get into my crease line, while I'm trying to apply my eyeshadow primer. So I'm going to be spreading this evenly on my eyelid as well. So for my lid, I'm going to be using this pale silver shade from the Romantic eyeshadow palette, and I'm patting this gently on my eyelid. I'm not rubbing, I'm not dragging, I'm just using patting motions to pat this eyeshadow from the inner corners of my eyes down to the outer corners of my eyes. Then I'm going in with this burnt orange shade with a smudge brush just to carve out my crease a second time. I didn't want to use the blending brush there because I didn't want all the colors to be everywhere, and I would have used a pointed crease brush but I couldn't find mine, so I'm using a smudge brush. Going in with this fuchsia pink shade, I'm going to still be concentrating the color on my crease line as well, still trying to cut my crease very neat. I know a lot of people cut their creases before they apply colors on their lid, but I decided to do mine this way. Going in with a blending brush just to blend everything together to avoid any form of harsh lines above my crease line. With a glitter and a glitter glue, I'm going to be applying this red glitters on my crease line as well. Applying it evenly. I'm still using the applicator brush the glitter glue came with to apply my glitters because it's going to give me so much control and definition. For my eyeliner, I'm using the Carrot Gel eyeliner. It's a very affordable eyeliner and it's really black. So I'm trying to do a little wing there. I already did the other eye off camera. I'm taking my time to apply the eyeliner so that I don't make mistakes and don't have very crooked lines. I already trained some lashes. My primer is from Fair Gold. You all know the drill. Applying this evenly around my skin in a downward outward motion. I'm going to be trying a new foundation today. The name is Flawless Foundation. I got to the market a couple of days back and I heard a lot of good things about this foundation. They said it is flawless, like the name says. It is matte, it blends easily, and So I got one for myself. I got the shade in 607. I don't know if you can see it, and it reminds me of the Tara HD matte foundation. I think it reminds me of the Tara HD foundation, and I'm just going to pour a few pumps on the back of my finger. Oh, it's not coming out. Okay, probably because I haven't pumped at all. So this is how it looks like. I got the shade in 607. I would have picked the shade in 600, but I feel it was a bit light for me, and I always like my foundation sitting right on my skin, so that when I highlight the other features of my face, it could just, you know, blend in well, rather than using a foundation that is one shade lighter than me. Then I go ahead to highlight, I'll probably be looking like a white monkey. So I'm going to go ahead and use my stippling brush to stipple this into my skin so that I can see how it is. And I don't know if it's really flawless like the name says. I think I poured a little too much, so I'm just going to blend this, buff this into my skin. It's quite thick in consistency. The consistency is quite thick, but not too thick, but at least I can easily blend it into my skin.
Okay.
It's actually a medium to full coverage somehow, and it feels light on the skin. I don't know, when I was applying it, it feels like it's going to be heavy, but while applying it feels like it is actually light on the skin. So let me go ahead and do the rest of my face. I'm done applying the foundation, and I think I like the coverage. I think I like the coverage. I think it is it covers well for the price. I think it is beautiful, but maybe I wouldn't say I don't like the thick consistency, because I've been using the Absolute HD Flawless Foundation, and it's a bit liquid, more liquid than this flawless. But I like the coverage, I like the way it blends into my skin, I like the way it matches my skin tone. It's not orangey, neither is it too yellow toned or too blue toned. I'm going to go ahead and do my highlight and contour routine, because I already have a detailed highlight and contour routine down on my channel, so I'm going to be back. For my lips, I'm going to be using this brown matte liquid lipstick, and I'm going to be applying this evenly around my lips. I didn't really line my lips per se, because I just wanted a one lip color on my lips. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like, do thumbs up and share with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, the subscribe link is down below. I'll leave all the products I used for this video in the description box below. Do have a fabulous day ahead. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.